All right, good morning, guys. If this is your first time for tuning in, my name is Jason. Thank you for visiting Ski, Fish, and Enjoy Life. If you look at the gates behind me, the pier will be opening in T-minus 7 minutes. We have a real nice day. We're gonna have a beautiful sunrise. I'm predicting some fish. Let's go. Okay, guys, total change of plan. That we were at the pier this morning. It was calm as anything. Problem is, when it's that calm, it's often dead, where you could sit there for hours and not get much of anything. So we are back on the Kelly fishing boat today. We do have my adult supervision, meaning my wifey, with me. It's a 4-hour trip. We'll see you when we get out there. All right, we have my new buddy Mayor here from Born and Raised in Florida. We'll be seeing him on the channel, but this is pretty cool. We have some tarpon here, and we are going to hand feed the tarpon. If you ask, why am I not fishing for them? I tried it once. You can't fish here, and one of the mates tackled me for fishing for him. But so we just feed him, we don't fish for him. All right, so let's get some bait. All right, let's throw it in. There's the tarpon. Okay, we are at the fishing spot. We're gonna have the wifey with the double squid blob rig. I'm gonna do a version of the old mutton rig here with a big chunk of ballyhoo. Gonna try to catch something big, a mermaid, we don't know. It's without me even knowing it. Double, those are grunts, you could keep them, throw them in the cooler.
Okay.
Use the rag, take them off, in the cooler.
Now I see. The Captain drink me luck.
All right, we're trying to get something good here. All right, wifey's hooked up. Let's see what we got. I see some color. She has something nice. She has a triggerfish.
Woo.
Good job.
Thank you. Yeah, the Captain drink me luck. You can stay here. Thank you.
He's a little small though, we're gonna release him, okay?
All right, what do we have to throw back? Sure, no problem. Yep. All right, it's a little guy. All right. Has some weight and it's moving. The kid is hooked up. And the wifey is looking at me in amazement like, oh my God, I can't believe you got such a big fish on. This thing has some weight to it. Definitely has some weight to it. Got some color. Let's see what we got. That is a red grouper that is too small and out of season.
Yep.
All right.
Very nice.
All right, people. Got some weight to this sucker. All right. GoPro's on, bud. The kid's on here. Might need a net. We got some weight here. No, this is a good one. All right, come on, be a trope. Oh, he's taking a line. Okay, he knows he's hooked. All right, this might be my moment, guys. This might be my moment for immortality. Oh, this is a fish, guys. This is a fish. Huge ball of ballyhoo.
Oh, you had a ballyhoo?
Oh, no, I bought like 3 gigantic pieces. All right, come on.
Oh my God, it's another
Shark.
Oh, sure. You know what? That is cool. I'll take it. That'll be good for the picture. I will take a shark. All right, sounds good.
So you can get them.
Oh, all right, we got a sharky. I might try to kamikaze me, but that's okay. Let's see.
Get your picture there?
Yeah, we got our picture. Let's see if we get him in the boat.
No.
No? That's 60 pounds. That's 60. It'll
Oh,
hold.
I know. It's just he's on this bigger side.
Oh.
I don't want to get him in here.
Oh.
All right, let's see what my buddy Jason got back here. This is looking pretty good. Gotta stay the hell out of your way, though. And remember, guys, you want to see fish like this caught, subscribe to Ski Fish and Enjoy Life. Let's have the captain net it, and then we'll see what he has. What is that? Amberjack, very nice. All right, and there's the proud fisherman right there. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Another successful fishing trip on the Kelly party boat fishing. I am actually exhausted. Went really hard yesterday. Was also up early today, so we're gonna take a break in the hotel. May head out tonight, do a little something, not sure. But hey, until next time, please remember, every day is a blessing, and don't ever forget to enjoy life.